In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-navigate favorites structure that helps you get to your sites faster and keeps your browser clutter-free. First, launch Microsoft Edge. To manage your bookmarks efficiently, we'll use Edge's dedicated Favorites Management page, which gives you a full view and better control than the small pop-up. There are two quick ways to get there. If you like keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+O to open Favorites. If you prefer the mouse, click the Settings and More icon, the three dots in the top right corner, and select Favorites. A small Favorites window will appear. Look for its own three-dot menu inside that window and choose Open Favorites page. This switches you to the full management view, where everything is easier to see and organize. Now let's create structure with folders. On the Favorites page, find the toolbar at the top of the management pane and click the Add Folder icon. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you naturally search for things. Names like travel plans, research, or banking are more helpful than MISC. Choose names you'll recognize at a glance, and keep the format consistent so your list is easy to scan. If you want deeper organization, you can nest folders. Simply drag one folder onto another to create a subfolder. You'll see a subtle highlight indicating where it will land. This is perfect for grouping related topics. For example, a main work folder with subfolders for projects, reports, or training. You can also manually rearrange both folders and individual bookmarks. Click and drag items to your preferred location until you see a line or highlight showing the drop position, then release. Rearranging lets you keep high-priority links at the top and group related items side by side. If you use the Favorites bar, this is a great way to control what shows first. When you want a quick tidy-up inside a single folder, right-click that folder in the management pane and select Sort by Name. Edge will alphabetize the bookmarks in that folder, which can be handy for large collections. Keep in mind that this affects only the selected folder and may override any custom order you've set there. You can always fine-tune by dragging items again after the sort. That's it. Open the full Favorites page. Build folders with clear names, nest subfolders by dragging, rearrange items to match your workflow, and use Sort by Name when you need a quick alphabetical cleanup. With a few minutes of setup, your browsing will feel faster, calmer, and more organized.